Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to know your Spotify password. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to Spotify app. When you first log into Spotify, if you have saved your password with the Google account, the account credential of your Spotify will be in sync with your Google account. I logged into my Spotify account through the web browser, so I'll go to my web browser for now. And at the top, I'll tap on my Google account profile. Now that you're in the settings, here you can see Google Password Manager. Tap on it, and it'll list all the websites whose passwords are recorded. Here you can see the Spotify.com. Tap on it. Now you have to use your security code of your phone, and there you go. That's how you can easily see your Spotify password, only if it is saved to your Google account. For the app logins, you can go to your Gmail, tap on the profile, and tap on Manage your Google account, and head over to the Security tab, scroll down to the Password Manager, and if you have synced your Google account with the Spotify, its password and email saved will be shown over here. So that's it, that's how you can easily know your Spotify password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.